house turnover dito sa Vista Rosa at San Francisco. As in, kapag tinurn over tong house, gantong-ganto yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, maglalagay ka na lang ng cabinet sa taas. Ayan. So, may shower area na. May shower head, sorry. And ito, yung iyong space for the laundry. Open area lang yan. So, pwede ka rin magsampay dyan. Ayan. So, akyat tayo sa taas. Pwede mo itong i-avail through bank financing. At napaka-flexible pa ng kanyang down payment since pre-selling ito. Actually, pwede mo yung gawing game area. Diba? Tapos office to. And akyat tayo sa second floor. Bank financing ito, pero pwedeng 30 years to pay kasi may partnership sila sa isang bank na i-allow ka na to have your home loan for 30 years to pay. Diba usually kasi 20 years to pay ang bank. So ito yung second room. We also assist in bank financing, kaya you don't need to worry. Kailangan mo na mag-submit ng documents, then kami na yung bahala. So, ito yung isang CR natin dito sa taas. So, ito yung pinaka-top floor. Yan. So, ito yung pwede yung pang gawing isang room. So, convertible din to sa isang room. At meron kang space dito sa taas. So, ito yung advantage niya compared sa condo yung kukunin mo. Diba? So, medyo pagod na pagod ka na sa gabi, pwede kang mag-unwind here. You have a open space for air, for breathing, and syempre, ganyan. Very accessible. Napakalapit lang nito sa Southwood City. If you're familiar with Southwood City, diba? For future, ano siya eh, CBD. So, imagine yung opportunity doon, napakalaki. In a few years, I'm sure, tataas ng gusto yung property dito. So, why not buy it now hanggang mas mura pa? And that's it. If you need the sample computation of this property, just message me. Have a great day, everyone.